Hello everyone, welcome to Talk a Topic. I am Harihar. Recently, Indian Army Major Suman Gawani honored with United Nations Award for her work in South Sudan. Here we know what is basically United Nations Award and its importance, as well as why Major Suman Gawani selected. Our Indian Army officer and women peacekeeper who was served with the United Nations mission in South Sudan, and a Brazilian women commander has been selected for the prestigious United Nations Military Gender Advocate for the Year Award 2019. Here, United Nations Chief Antonio Guterres said, "Powerful role models." Major Suman Gawani and Brazilian naval officer commander Carla Monteiro de Castro Araújo will receive the award during an online ceremony over by United Nations Secretary General Guterres on 29th of May, the International Day of United Nations Peacekeepers. Military observer Major Suman Gawani has recently completed an assignment in South Sudan apart from her stint with United Nations mission in South Sudan. Araújo is working in the United Nations Multidimensional Integrated Stabilization Mission in the Central African Republic. Here Guterres said on both of them, Major Suman Gawani and Major Araújo, these peacekeepers are powerful role models. Through their work, they have brought new perspectives and have helped build trust and confidence among the communities we serve. He also said, through their commitment and innovative approaches, they embrace a standard of excellence that is an inspiration to all blue helmets everywhere. As we confront today's challenges, their work has never been more important. This is the first time the United Nations Military Gender Advocate Award has gone to an Indian peacekeeper. This is the second year in a row that a Brazilian peacekeeper has received this honor. Here you should know it created 2016 and it recognizes the dedication and effort of an individual military peacekeeper in promoting the principle of United Nations Security Resolution 1325, which is on women, peace and security in a peace operation, as nominated by heads and force commanders of peace operations. For the first time, two peacekeepers will receive the award jointly. Major Suman Gawani expressed her gratitude for her work being recognized. She said, "Whatever our function, position or rank, it is our duty as peacekeepers to integrate an all-genders perspective into our daily work and own it, our interaction with colleagues as well as with communities." Major Suman Gawani joined the Indian Army in 2011 when she graduated from the Officers Training Academy, then joined the Army Signal Corps. She holds Bachelor of Telecommunication Engineering and a Bachelor of Education degrees from Military College of Telecommunication and the Government Postgraduate College in Dehradun. Since her deployment in the United Nations mission in South Sudan in December 2018, Major Suman Gawani mentored over 230 United Nations military observers on conflict-related sexual violence and ensured the presence of women military observers in each of the mission's team sites. The data saying that about 6.4% of the 85,000 uniformed peacekeepers servicing currently in the United Nations mission are women. The United Nations is working with the member states to increase the number and percentage of women military, police and justice and corrections personnel. Also here data saying the participation of women both in peacekeeping and within the societies in which we serve, it is at the center of the United Nations efforts.